Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening a blank Google Doc and applying MLA basics immediately. Set times New Roman 12 PT and change line spacing to double. Next, open File Page Setup and enter 1 margins on all sides so headers and citations align correctly. Once done, set the default styles for normal text to keep spacing consistent. This avoids formatting drift later. Make sure you save these style choices so every paragraph, heading, and block quote inherits the MLA baseline formatting. Now you add the running header and page numbers. Insert page numbers, choose top right, then type your last name before the number. After that, on the first page, create the MLA heading at the top left. Your name, instructor, course, and date on separate lines. Use double spacing. Once the heading is placed, center the title on the next line using normal text. Do not bold or underline. So the document follows MLA presentation standards and reads cleanly for graders. Finish by adding a Works Cited page. Insert a page break, center the title Works Cited, and list entries alphabetically by author. Then apply hanging indent of 0.5 to each entry via format align and indent so every second line lines up correctly. Once that's done, proof the document for font, spacing, and stray page breaks. If citations look off, recheck author order and hanging indent. If page numbers or header misalign, toggle header settings and reapply the 1 margins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.